Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Scorpios, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Scorpios, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Lovers, Ace of Pentacles in reverse, and Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So, in your situation, guys, Scorpios, you love this person, you may find them very interesting, but there are certain things which are not clear for you. You have uh, maybe you are new to this person, you are in a new love. That may be the reason for some doubts or confusion, some lack of clarity. Maybe you don't know them well right now and you feel that you cannot trust them. Or for some of you, there are people in your situation, maybe family members or friends, who are against this love, and they are doing certain things out of jealousy, guys. So they are maybe spreading rumors about you, talking behind your back about this person or about you. They are trying to create problems for you and you cannot trust them. And maybe they see you as someone really successful in life. You are very charming, successful, and things are going well for you in your work and even in your personal life. So they envy you for those reasons, and they see you as someone who is very arrogant, but you are a skilled and talented person and you have a particular way of dealing your situation. Maybe you handle it by the book. Maybe whatever ideals or whatever beliefs you have for yourself, you stick to that rules, whatever you follow, and do take any decisions based on that. And that may look like you using your position, power, or authority on them, and they may see you as a controlling person, or this may be your energy or this person's energy, guys. So that may be the reason for envy, some kind of jealousy, and you feel that you cannot trust them, or they feel this way about you. So that is what I see, guys. But I also see that you have a great opportunity for true love. You both have that mutual love, respect, and caring with each other. Maybe it may be too soon for a deep connection, a deep bond with this person. Maybe if you are in a new relationship, so you have to give it time, wait, guys. That is what I would say. But if you are already in a connection, there may be few things like some kind of confusions in your relationships. Maybe they see you as someone controlling or someone trying to dominate them. There may be minor troubles in this relationship, but it is love, guys. If you want this love, you need to work on it. You need to put in the efforts to make it work. So that is what I see with these cards, Scorpios. And in your career situation also, guys, you are making lot of efforts and things are going well, but there may be troubles in your situation. You need to really work hard to sustain the success that is there in your situation today, but you need to put in a lot of efforts. That is what I see, guys, Scorpios, for your career situation, Scorpios. So that is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity in your situation, Scorpios, you can stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is following right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first deck card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, first you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds in silence. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So let's start the reading after a few seconds, and I'll be starting with this card, guys. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with this first card. Let's see what it is. Greet the dawn. Such a beautiful card here, guys. And the meaning of this card, maybe in your situation, you are inviting something new. It may be a new beginning, a new love, or an opportunity coming your way. And every day is an opportunity for us to start fresh, guys. Start with that clean slate. So, whatever that has happened yesterday, we are given a chance to do things differently today, and that is in our hands. And a new day invites us with that inner light of love and beauty. So, if we accept that invitation and radiate beauty and happiness to the surroundings around us, it will touch the lives of people around us, and it will give them warmth and the change the way the things are going in your situation and in their life, guys. So you don't have to take on the world, you just have to do your best. Simply do the things that you love to do. Do not force anything to happen, and let your day to flow as it should, guys, with that sense of gratitude in your heart and acceptance towards the gifts and challenges that day is bringing to you. So that is what this card means, guys. So in your situation today, guys, maybe if you are open to a new relationship, you are going to get someone new. And if you are hurt in the past, this is the time for you to let go of all that and move towards a fresh start in your life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card here, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have the poison apple, jealousy. So in your situation today, guys, for those who chose this card, there are few offers tempting you, really being offered to you or in your situation, but you should think about it again and again. Think it with clarity before you take up that apple. It may be poison, guys, so you have to be really careful. And you need to understand that even if you have made that choice, you need not fear that choice, guys, because you will recover. And the pain you go through in this situation because you have accepted some kind of a temptation in your situation, it is going to gift you with that experience, and you are going to get that true insight and clarity in your life and in your relationship. And also, you are someone who is the target of jealousy in your situation. People really around you are really jealous of you of some things, guys. Maybe your talents, your skills, your beauty, or your life. So they are jealous, and they are not to be trusted. You have to be really careful. Even if you know someone for a long time now, and even if they are your true friend, if there are some choices involved with them or they are pushing you towards something, you have to think it through, guys. Think for yourself. This is the time to be skeptical, and you cannot trust anyone in this present circumstance. That is what I would say with this card. So you have to be really careful when you're making important decisions in your life today, in your relationship today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.